Sacrocolpopexy. Sacrocolpopexy. A surgical procedure used to correct pelvic organ prolapse in women. When the muscles around a woman's pelvis weaken, the pelvic organs can prolapse, slide out of place. It creates a bulge in vagina similar to a hernia. Comparison: Sacrocolpopexy, surgery to repair vaginal vault prolapse, which attaches the vaginal vault to sacrum with surgical mesh. Sacrohysteropexy, surgery to repair uterine prolapse, which attaches the cervix to sacrum with surgical mesh. Cf. Inguinal hernia, anterior vaginal prolapse, posterior vaginal prolapse.